from the pits. Oh my God! Let me wipe the floor for you. Let me wipe. Come on, walk. Oh my God! I want to die. Slap my life.
Show me how you treat your aged and your woman, and I'll tell you the condition of your race.
No. Please. Wait. Pause.
Show us some respect.
Walk. My God.
You treat her like a woman. Treat her like you treat your mom.
Thank you.
That black brother put that woman top shelf on the ceiling.
Catwalk for me. This is not even catwalking. This is hyena walking, lion walking, tiger walking. This is a leopard walking.
Her body with stars. She show her body at the heaven and her head coming down on the other side. Both ways.
When she take a step, here bang. She take another step, here bang. She take one more step, here bang the day.
And he look up, all he's looking